Overnight, those 15 ballistic missiles fired from Iran towards that Iraqi military base that does house American troops. According to defense officials, 10 of the missiles did hit the intended target, one of them striking a base near the city of Erbil in northern Iraq, and 4 of them failed, according to that official. Reports do indicate that Iran verbally informed the Iraqis of the strikes right before they occurred. The Iranians also reportedly notified Finland, a neutral intermediary, who likely notified U.S. forces. Here in Baghdad overnight, we saw extensive helicopter and fighter jet activity, a lot of military movement, but no strikes near the Iraqi bases that house U.S. troops near Baghdad. There is concern today that this response isn't over. There's many Iranian-backed Iraqi Shia militias that do operate here who have threatened to target U.S. troops. Despite confirmation of no casualties in the strikes last night, the Iranians are claiming victory.
Well, last night we slapped them. These military actions are not enough. What is important is that the corrupt presence of America in this region comes to an end.
All of the major international airlines, including Emirates, Royal Jordanian, and Egypt Air, have canceled flights in and out of Baghdad. Additionally, we are getting reports that the United Nations is evacuating their post in Baghdad's green zone off to my left. The region preparing for the possibility of a strong response by the Trump administration. We'll certainly have to wait and see what the commander-in-chief decides.